So today, I am so tired of my hair. Okay, it looks cool and all. Yeah, I want layers. I want layers. And I saw this butterfly cut. Anyways, I like to change it up. It feels flat. So I think this will be cool. I was thinking about wolf cut, but so let's try. I'm following Brad Mondo. He said to put the comb on top of your head and find the high point, aka apex, and it's right here. So I just take it and it's going to go down to behind the ears. Don't come for me if it's not perfect, because I use glasses normally and it's minus 4.5 or more or something, so I can see shit. Perfect. Never been to a hairdresser since I don't remember. You are not blind, but can't see that much. You use your feel and touch a lot. Another fun fact for me, I don't know if it's a fun fact for you, but I actually filmed a lot of YouTube videos and never posted them because I'm afraid of everything. So now, trying to just don't give a whiz and just be myself. I'm a little weirdo, like everyone. Everyone has a weird thing, you know. And I have ADHD, and yeah, my neurodivergent brain makes me say a lot of stuff that doesn't always. I lost it. My ADHD brain doesn't always make sentences make sense. So yeah, I will pause this and look at the video of Brad Mondo again. Okay, back from Brad Mondo's video. The thing is, he takes a ponytail here, but I have some experience cutting hair. I'm a wig maker, professional, educated one. I have a bachelor degree in makeup and hair design, and that is very misleading for me sometimes, but it's like the makeup and hair department in movies. So it's like making wigs, styling hair. I'm not a hairdresser, but a hairstylist, and that's apparently different in Norway. I don't know why. But also I make teeth and eyeballs and guts and blood and stuff like that, and also I can make you very pretty. You are always pretty though, but yeah, unless they're a douche. But yeah, he said ponytail straight here, but I know better. I will just drag and take one line of a designer cut and then put the other one and follow the line. Yeah, I will do that. Also, since I talk too much, I need to spray myself down sometimes. Cut it like bloop, straight off, but I want even more layers, son. I have a bang that is almost grown out. I will cut a little bit below that, and I will just drag it straight out like this. Boop. You see that? Oh, now I suddenly be very nervous. I'm nervous. My hair has grown a lot though. Okay, let's do this. And I wanted it to not be perfect. I wanted it to be more rocker's butterfly cut. Why do we get nervous? It's just hair. I know for some it's not just hair. If you have alopecia and cancer and stuff like that, you are strong people, wow. But I get so sentimental sometimes when, sorry, you can't see anything. Cause I don't know. Let's do this. I don't know. Chill. Why do I get nervous suddenly? When I was like a teen, I was not nervous. I was just hacking it out, making those cuts, cutting it up. But just remembered that I forgot to take my ADHD medication. So maybe it's just ADHD. Maybe I just want to cut my hair. I don't know right now. Just do it. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? I always like, why do people freak out when they cut their hair? It's just hair. And then, standing here, cutting my hair, and freaking out. Ooh, it looks good. Ooh, that's cool, man. Maybe I should go shorter. Maybe it's not so scary. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's a lot though. Let's just do it. Let's just. Oh my god, that really hurt me. Emotional damage. Oh my god. Maybe I'm amping up for the camera, but if you know me in real life, I'm just like this. Am I so scared when it looks like it turns out great? It's actually serving looks. What? This is hella cute. Now, don't be distracted. Next step, you can see that I need to look at the video. So, pull everything and cut. Okay, I can do that. And that's way too much hair, Maria, but okay. And I'm doing it. Dude! Look at this dude! I already look cool, man! I love that. I haven't even styled it yet. Okay, I'm coming back. I have to clean this mess up. Look at this. I have a lot up here. Coming back. Styling. Do the sublime. Maybe some TikToks. I'm active there. Not so much on YouTube. Holy shit, I feel hot. Okay. Bye bye. See you later. Okay, I don't think I'm ready for this, but look at this hair, y'all. I cut a lot of hair off, and it looks like I have even more hair, but it feels lighter, a lot lighter, and I'm feeling myself. I have not styled it actually. I just put some what is called volumizing powder at the root, and my hair just laid like this naturally, and I'm so pumped. Okay, serving looks. Feeling myself. So cringe, but oh my god. That's the finished look. And I'm rocking it, I think. The important part is that I feel good. I don't care about what others think of my hair right now, because oh, I feel hot. Thank you, and yeah, I'm having the mirror behind the camera. So I'm just being a narcissistic bitch right now. And yes.